have not done a video in a long time. A valuable video anyways. I picked up this 2000 Chevy 1500 about 2 weeks ago from a guy he was selling it on Marketplace. He's about an hour from me. What's the first thing you notice? It's got rocker panels. This truck was from Arizona. He drove it here, moved here with his family back in the springtime. The reverse went out in it. So he decided to sell it. So we drove it an hour back. I sold the Suburban, by the way. I just got tired of it. I'm like, I was just bored and done and over with. So I found this thing on Marketplace. It's got a lot of miles on it. Interiors, it needs a good scrubbing. I mean, what's left of the seats. I was going to get some seat pads for it. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I'm going to clean it and drive it. I might resell it. Don't know yet. The guy put brand new tires on it, albeit no name brand Thailand communist rubber company or whatever. Brakes are good. It's got a new starter, newer starter. Oh, I should say the most important thing, it's got a 5.3 that runs good. You breathe on the key, she fires right up. It's missing a lower valance. I mean, the paint clear coat's peeling off of it, but who cares? It's got rocker panels, it's got doors, the bed sides are all there. Obviously, you see a flex plate sitting there. I pulled the transmission out, sent it to the shop to have it rebuilt. Look how clean she is. I'm going to replace the center support bearing. This truck has 285,000 miles on it. The U-joints, I would have to assume they're still original because they got the factory, you know, like how GM, whatever they did. They're still tight, not too tight. So I'm just leaving them alone. But guys, come underneath here and look at this thing. I mean, look at the frame. That's like surface. There's more, it's like more sand blasted than anything. I mean, this is all just a bit of mud. I can't believe this truck's got rocker panels. And currently, I dropped till we go. Hello there. Let me flip you back around, y'all. Currently, I'm changing the rear main. Because you know that's the thing to do when you got a transmission out. Mike. I bought a Denali for my wife off my friend Mike back in February. Truck's from Tennessee. Very solid rig. He changed, put a lower mile 6-liter in it. And transmission and all that. Had the engine out and whatnot. Never changed the rear main. What's leaking on our truck? The rear main. It's like, dude, really? Long story short, anytime you got engine or transmission out, I always change the rear main and the rear cover. Valve covers are leaking a little bit. Not a big deal. Look at the fuel lines on this thing. Look at the brake lines. That's just all very light surface. I mean, the camera's always deceiving. I mean, that's just super light. Like I can hit it with a wire brush and it's clean. I mean, even the exhaust came apart. I don't know what I'm going to do with this thing, guys. I really don't. Like, I don't know if I'm just going to slam her back together and just drive it for a while, or I might honestly just throw it up on Marketplace and, you know, see if anybody wants to throw me a couple extra bucks for it. I mean, look how clean it is. Oh yeah, the air conditioning is ice cold. You got to from Arizona. Who the hell wants to live in Arizona without air conditioning? Poor guys. So, thought I'd give you guys a little bit of a peek-see as to what I've been up to. I've not made hardly any content. You know, busy with the little guy. My little dude's 10 months old now. And just, just with life. But we got another project here we're playing with. And, yeah. So, all right, like and subscribe. Leave a comment if you like. And just be on the lookout for the next vid. All right, you guys, take care.